everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you have been following me for a little while, you already know what my channel is about. But just in case if you are new to my channel, you can definitely check out my previous videos. But to brief you out, my channel is mostly about skincare, hair care, some shopping reviews, a little bit about the DIYs, indoor plants, and somewhere here and there whatever is going in my life, and I feel it's interesting and I wanted to share it with you guys, and I'm just here because of this. Now, as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the glow serum which you can make easily at home. For those who wanted to know what is the lip color which I'm wearing, this is from the Blue Heaven Elegance. This is a completely nude lip color. This is the color variant of it, the completely nude, and I am in the shade 11. This is from the Blue Heaven. This is the first Blue Heaven matte lip color which I have tried, and it does good. Please ignore the nail color. I did not get a time to change it. I am gonna do it. Please ignore that in the entire video. So yes, this is from the Blue Heaven and I love this. So this is a completely nude color. If you want a swatch of it, this is a completely nude color and I love this color. Every time you're not in a mood to wear all the dark colors, now this is a quarantine and I love to make it very nude and simple and subtle. So that's the reason I love this nude color. Now one video will definitely come back to back, I think, of this video are my favorite nude lip colors. So I generally love nude colors over the colored ones, but again it depends on the occasion and the hour of the day which I am wearing. So yes, coming back to the glow serum which I use at home. Now the serum which I am gonna let you know in this complete video is something which I have been trying at home for like 1 to 2 years. I do not purchase anything glow serum online which are readily available with lot of good brands and all of that. I somewhere feel we have all the ingredients right at our home for any glow serum, which I don't think you need to have chemicals and all of that to get it. So without further ado, let's just completely get into the video. I just need three ingredients to get the serum. Now let me show you the serum which I am currently using. This is exactly the color of this serum, and I do refrigerate this serum, and then whenever I feel my skin is kind of dry, but at least I use this complete serum as a spray. Now as you can see, this is a spray bottle, so I use it like twice in a day. Once I get up in the morning, I just completely brush my teeth, I take a face wash, and then I use this serum. And the second thing I do is when I take a shower and I just wanted to get ready for the office or probably get ready for the normal things which we do at home, that time again I use the serum. So I always use the serum twice a day, and I think the complete bottle lasts about a 2 month, because you just need 2-3 sprays and you are like completely done. Now I am in this halfway through the bottle, and I thought I would need to make it again. So if I'm just making it, I thought why not to share with you. You just need 3 ingredients, and if you really wanted to know how to make the complete glow serum right at home, please keep on watching the entire video till the end, and I am very sure this serum is going to help you. And by chance, if the serum is really working good for you, do let me know in the Instagram or Facebook or comment section anywhere. By the way, my Instagram handle is already mentioned in the description box. You can also follow me on the Facebook, and that is also mentioned in the description box, so please go ahead and check out. You can get the latest updates. Just in case you are not notified, please make sure to hit the bell icon which is next to subscribe tab, so that every time I upload the video, you all will be well notified about it. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. The first thing we are going to do is to please make this serum a little hygienic way. So take a normal kind of small dish and a normal spoon. Do not go for fancy spoon. I don't know, people use a lot of fancy spoons and some uses silver spoon. I do follow few YouTubers. I don't understand, to make a simple serum at home, why you would need some fancy things. I have used this spoon like not in the kitchen but always to make my DIYs. So this is a simple spoon which is a little hygienic, and I think we are good to go. So the three ingredients is, first is aloe vera gel, which is the freshly extracted aloe vera gel. Now I am using the aloe vera gel from allnatural.co. So this I got, I think, in the one of the subscription boxes. This is pure aloe vera gel, by the way, guys. And now let me show you what is the pure aloe vera gel looks like. I use so much of it. Okay, the pure aloe vera gel somewhere looks like this. It does not come with any color like green or something, guys. No, aloe vera gel has completely no color. But when some manufacturers wanted to make it look a little natural, they kind of give some color which does not make sense. The pure aloe vera gel look like this. So you're gonna take 2 tablespoon of this aloe vera gel. I'm just gonna complete this. So you're just gonna put it in the petri dish. I love this aloe vera. And by the way, aloe vera gel doesn't have any essence. I don't understand when people use this aloe vera gel. I don't understand why it has some fragrance to it. By the way, I will make a separate video if you have aloe vera plant at your home, how to extract the normal natural aloe vera gel right at home without using any other ingredients of fragrance. I mean, that is out of my concept. So forget it. The video is about the glow serum. So I took 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and the second ingredient would be the normal rose water. I think every lady have it in the house. At least I have it, because I am a person who use very minimal makeup. If you can see in my any of the videos, I use very minimal makeup. The 2 essential things I use in makeup are my eyeliners or kajal or whatever you can say for the eyes, and just a lip color, and I think little bit compact here and there to make it an even skin tone, and I think that is done. I really don't think, if your skin is glowing from inside, you do not need any kind of other makeup. And trust me, that's the healthiest way of making your skin look youthful and better for a longer run. If you use lot of chemicals, it will not make any sense. And by the way, the ingredients which we already have are already having the anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, antifungus and antibacterial, whatever effects all that is needed for the skin, you already have those ingredients. The first is aloe vera gel. Now let me tell you why I am using the aloe vera gel. This is something which is antibacterial. It soothes your skin because this is summertime and your skin has a pH balance which needs to be maintained. If for example somebody's skin is little acne prone, then their skin pH balance is different. If somebody's is dry, their pH balance is different. So I think to neutralize all the pH balance of your skin, it's very important that you use the natural ingredient which is available everywhere. You don't have to go for any specific websites, any high-end products. I really don't think there is any need of it. So that's the reason I took aloe vera gel. It do maintains the pH balance. It has an antibacterial property, and it soothes your skin to a greater extent, and at a longer run it helps to even out your skin tone. That is the major uses of the aloe vera gel, and I highly recommend aloe vera gel in every possible DIYs. Now those who have an acne skin, if you want to use this glow serum, take a little, like 1.5 tablespoon, not tablespoon but a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. I think that will kind of neutralize the oiliness if you have in your skin. The second thing is rose water. So I will take at least 3 or 4 tablespoon, not teaspoon but tablespoon. So 4. Okay, so I kind of wanted to mix it. Now it's a complete watery kind of thing. I'm gonna mix it thoroughly to get rid of all the lumps. You can use a big petri dish, because I am just making a half of it. I already have the serum like I've already shown you. So I'm gonna make it completely even. And if you still need it, you can add more of rose water. Now the best thing about rose water is it kind of brings a natural glow to your skin. Now if you wanted to say, Ritu, I want a natural glow to my skin, and I'm using the rose water for like 7 days, why I'm not getting the glow? It doesn't make sense. You have to use the rose water for a really longer time, like 1 week, 2 week or so to get the effect. You instantly will not get any effect of any product which you use. So people say why your cheeks are shining. Trust me, when you use certain product for a longer time, with having a faith that it is gonna work on you, it will work on you. But if you say that no, why I'm using this cheap product like rose water, and I could have used the glow serum of like which costs for 900 or 1000 or even more than that, I don't find any logic to it. But again, if you are getting results, I'm very happy towards it. But for my skin, I need very basic things, among which the rose water is one of the thing which helps to get the glow on your entire face. Now you can use rose water with multani mitti, sandalwood powder, the normal skin things, and I think it's a best thing I have ever used since my college life. And trust me, this is the only brand I use in the rose water since my college life. I do see a lot of YouTubers using lot of kind of rose water. I don't know what all. For me, if it works good for you, it's good. But for me, the normal rose water does perfectly fine. And the last ingredient, just to store this, because I'm not store this for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks or even for like a month, just to store it, I will use an argan oil. It is again very good for health. And by the way, I have made a separate video of all the essential oils which you can use at home to get any amazing skin tone, by the way. So among this, the Good Vibes argan oil is one of the product. I really like this. I really love it. So I'm gonna take 2 or 3 drops. It comes with a dropper which is so soothing. So I'm just gonna add 2-3 drops of it. And by the way, this is with the gold leaves, and this is easily available in the Purple website. I think easily will get this. And just you give a thorough mix to it, and I think your glow gel is completely ready in that way. So it's a very normal consistency. If you can see, it's a very normal consistency gel. Nothing is is visible. And if you see, there is a little bit of green tint. This is because I have used green leaf aloe vera gel, which has some little green color to it. And that's it. You can easily pour to the bottle. You can make a mix of it, and I think the glow serum is ready. And so I kind of was pouring this entire gel into this bottle, and whatever while pouring, if you get something in your hand, you can easily apply on your body. I think this is very good for even your other parts of your body, like skin and the toe, whatever is a little dry in this season. You can easily apply it, and I think this is very soothing. So as you can see, I have already mixed it, but you can see there is a lump. So whenever you see this lump, you kind of shake it and mix it completely. And then still, if you feel this is a little jelly kind of consistency, anytime you can add rose water, and I think the consistency itself will become amazingly good. So I'm just kind of pouring the entire leftover with the rose water, and then I'm gonna give it a mix and then just shake it, and I think the glow serum is pretty much ready. So this should be the consistency of the glow serum, which is amazingly good. And let me just apply it and show you. Now I use it in the spray bottle. You can use it in the pump bottle. Any bottle what you have at your home, you can easily go for it. Now let me just quickly spray and show how it works. Now this is what the consistency is. It's a kind of runny consistency. You have to apply on your clean skin and pat it to completely absorb on your entire skin. And the moment it gets absorbed to your skin, you will automatically, after like gradually 2 weeks or so, you can see the difference. And trust me, there is a lot of difference. You see in your texture of your skin, the way it glows, and the entire thing. I have got a lot of humongous difference in my skin after using the serum, and this is readily available. I mean, the ingredients are readily available. You can anytime use it. So please let me know if you have used this serum and how did you like it, and what is your go on it, do let me know. And I really love this DIY glow serum. Trust me, this is one of the serum which is used for, used by the Korean skin people at home. But instead of aloe vera water, they just use the rice water. So if you have a little bit of time to spare on your skin, you can easily boil the rice, and the water that you drain out from your rice, you can store that in the refrigerator and use it instead of aloe vera gel, or instead of rose water. You can use that rice water. And if you are using rice water, use a little bit of preservative of any essential oils. You can use lavender and anything. Tea tree oil is one of the best thing you can use for the preserving if you are using the rice water. So that's a little bit lengthy video. I wanted to share few do's and don'ts which are available in the market and which was very necessary, because people do say that Ritu, you use DIY glow serum but it doesn't feel any difference. You don't feel the difference because probably first thing, you are not doing it the correct way. Second thing, you are not applying it the way it is supposed to be on the clean skin. When you do a face wash and then apply the glow serum, and I think that works amazingly good. And at the same time, use it twice a day. If you are really having a busy schedule before going to sleep, also you can use this serum and it will do wonders to your skin. That's pretty much, the video is getting a little longer, so I will end up this video. Do try the serum at home and do let me know what are your takes on the serum, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.